The DWT sliding compound miter saw with 3 blades offers a versatile and durable cutting solution for various materials. With adjustable speeds of 3,200 RPM or 4,500 RPM, it allows for precise cutting, with high speed for wood and low speed for metal. The sliding cutting design enables the saw to handle longer boards, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Constructed from stainless steel castings, the saw is built to endure the daily challenges of job site use, providing a solid and reliable tool. The bevel cutting feature with a free range from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, and a miter angle of -45 degrees, 0 degrees, plus 45 degrees with positive stops at key angles, adds versatility to your cutting options. The laser guide ensures accurate real-time positioning and facilitates precise adjustments. The package includes 3 blades, offering a range of choices for different materials, 2 10 inches 40 TTCT blades for wood and plastic, and 1 multifunctional 10 inches 48 TTCT blade. The iron blade guard provides enhanced durability compared to plastic guards, ensuring safety by covering the cutting blade teeth during operation. To maintain a clean working environment, the saw features a chip bag that connects directly to the saw, collecting sawdust away from the workpiece. The 35mm dust port allows for easy connection to a vacuum cleaner for more effective dust extraction. The extension table with vise clamping adds stability and support during cutting. The package contents include the DWT Advanced 10-inch 15-amp miter saw, blades, dust bag, hexagonal wrenches, clamping device, user manual, and a warranty card, with a 12-month warranty. While some users praised the tool for being a perfect and cost-effective solution, with an easy setup and squared fence and saw blade, there were concerns about the instruction manual's quality. Users recommended downloading the full manual from the manufacturer for better guidance. Despite minor drawbacks, such as issues with the dust bag system and the need for adjustments to the laser light, users found the saw powerful and suitable for a range of tasks. It received positive feedback for being lightweight, easy to use, and a practical choice for those on a budget. Overall, the DWT sliding compound miter saw with 3 blades seems to be a reliable and efficient tool for various cutting needs.